Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repost WhatsApp status on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp has again launched various new features that are interesting to try on Android and iOS. This was feature itself be present via special button so that when user is mentioned or mention it in someone else WhatsApp status, you can repost their status when they mention you on their status. So how to do it, how to repost the status on your WhatsApp? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. As we can see, when someone mention you on their status, you'll get notified like this. To repost, you can just open the status like this. And you'll find there is a repost icon on here beside the likes icon. You can just tap on the repost icon on here. And now, you can repost this status. You can also add mention. It will turn out like this. Let's check on your own status. When you repost someone's status, it will turn out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!